3, 2, 1, action. Hot for day, guys. Welcome back. We are, oh, there's a flash. We are going on another adventure today. Yes, good morning. Hope you are, or afternoon, night, so, wherever you are.
Point it to me. Obviously, you could tell from the title is we're going on a free jet ski tour, and we're gonna be going pretty far outside the reef. I look like Casey Neistat. Don't ask me why is it free. We got the GoPro. It's her first time. I've been on the jet ski tour before, but it's been like 5 years. Should be fun. I don't know why I'm yelling, but screw it. Yeah.
I wanna ride in my Guam bombs, roll all around. Rolling up from the Lido and back to zero down. They come from zero down, zero down, zero down, zero down. I wanna ride in my Guam bombs, roll all around. Rolling up from the Lido and back to zero down. They come from zero down, zero down, zero down, zero down.
We have made it to our destination. How do you feel?
I'm ready. How do you feel? It's your first time.
I don't know how to feel.
It is a beautiful
Friday.
It's a beautiful Friday. It seems like the jet skis are ready, and I'm ready to go off reef, and hopefully we don't die.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. That's dead right. If the head right, Biggie there every night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk, go through us. Girls want to us, wanna do us. Screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Papa.
Alright guys, what's up? As you can see, she's wearing a different hat. And as you could also see, I'm not wearing any hat. How do you feel like the experience was?
The whole entire time, I could not stop laughing. Like, when you go on an adventure like that with your significant other, it's like jokes and you're cracking up and all was fun. And throughout the whole entire time, I just couldn't stop smiling and I was laughing and all that stuff. And before we started, like right before we got off reef, we were with our guide, our tour guide, and he had the GoPro in his hand, and there was this like wave and we hit it and the GoPro hit my lip because he was sitting right behind me. I don't know if you can see him, it's swollen.
Oh God, you can see it.
Bro?
Yeah.
Yeah. As
we were riding to Two Lovers Point, first off, I lost my hat and it was like whoosh, and I was like, yo, my hat. And then I had that hat since like 3 to 4 years already. And then this is not the hat that she was wearing. She was wearing a different Nike hat. We just found this in my car. But right after that, we were still riding to Two Lovers Point, and then her hat fell off, and then we were just like, damn. We came here with hats on. We're leaving here hatless. And we're just gonna go get something to eat. What's new? She wants Charlie's. Charlie's is her favorite.
My favorite, Charlie. Shout out to Charlie's and his friend Charlie.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Charlie's and Ready? What do I do? We finished everything. We finished everything.
I burped. Hey guys, we just got done eating and a really funny thing happened today. Happened right now actually. As we were done eating, right, we put our trash on the tray and then
I'm so bad.
He was holding the tray, right? And then as we're walking, we were having like a playful argue because when I passed him the tray to throw it away, the drink started to slide, right? So he's like, what are you doing? And I was like, what? And then like right when we got to the trash bin, like see how you throw like the trash inside the bin and then you put the tray on top? We were arguing, right? And like he was looking at me He throws the whole entire thing, including the tray.
I threw everything. I opened it up and I was, and then even the tray. How you're not. Okay, it was a nice day. Hope you guys were with us. What the? Okay, it was a nice day. It was a nice day. Hope you guys, it's hot. You
We're
guys,
in the car and it's not on.
yeah, I know. Okay, it was a, hope you guys liked the video. Free jet ski tour, it was lit.
Shout out to Uncle Tet.
It's just Tet, he's not.
Well,
Shout out to Tet. Free jet ski tour. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Tweet me at David Dobrik.
And don't forget to also, most importantly,
Eat your
have
veggies.
a nice day.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.